Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you a method with which you can make 30 to 45,000 naira in almost passive income every month. So no matter what you do, this one can give you an extra 20,000 to 45,000 naira every month if you follow this tutorial step by step. So let us get started. So first of all, you are going to go to your Play Store and search for the app MLpCaZ. Install it. Let's wait for it to install. So I will pause it and resume when it's installed. So it's installed, so you open your MLpCaZ. Yeah, so you click on get started, create a new wallet. You understand? If you want to secure your account, you click secure. But for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to be skipping that process. Yes. So now this is your dashboard. So what you're going to do from here now is click on this menu. You click on browser. Then you search for the keyword CT NFT. Then while in this browser, you click on the first link. Then you click on CT NFT dashboard. If you follow this tutorial step by step, you'll be set up to make roughly 20 to 45k in extra revenue every month. So now you click on connect MLpCaZ. You connect, sign in. Then you enter an email address you are going to use. So for the sake of this test, for the sake of this walkthrough, I've created a burner mail. So you put in your email, then you go so you receive the mail, then you verify your account. You hit continue, then you return back to the MLpCaZ app to continue. You click approve Polygon, approve, switch network, then skip. Then now you have successfully created an account with which you can you can mine online and get crypto on a daily basis. It's actually a paid tool, but we have found a way to get to use it for 1 day for free. So there's a code they are going to impute to activate this mining. So you click on activate tokens, enter promo code. So there are 2 promo codes that I have that is currently working, and I will paste them in the description of this video. So try either one of them, try either one of those codes and apply it, and you should start mining your Bitcoin every day consistently. So you hit apply, confirm with MLpCaZ, then you sign in. Activate mining, scroll, confirm with MLpCaZ, sign in again, and you have successfully activated your mining. As you can see, Your account is now mining at 100,000 hash rates per second. So as you can see, it's mining. Let's wait a little bit and see how it's going to update. So what you're going to do now is that you're going to be checking up on this platform every 3 hours. You can see we now have 1 Satoshi, 2 Satoshi. So it will be counting and it will start updating in dollars. So what is going to happen is that after every 3 hours, as you can see here, this timer is going to reset to 0. Then what do? You reactivate it. So if you can target it every 3 hours perfectly, you should be able to mine roughly about $2.5 on a daily basis. If you do that for 30 days, at the current valuation of naira to the dollar, you're talking of about roughly 45,000 naira per month in mining. So let us do a quick calculation to figure out the actual price. So for my calculator, 5,000. Okay, no, 2.5 times 720 times 45, no, times 30. Oh, you are making roughly 54, so it's even 54. So 54,000 divided by 720. So that is an extra $75 per month that you'll be making if you follow this approach. So let's return back to the app. Yeah, so it's even more than my estimate. So you're making roughly 54,000 in extra revenue every month if you can follow along with this process back to back. So let's wait for the app to load. Yeah, so it has completely loaded. So this is going to be the home screen. When you have completed the process, you exit and return back here. So now you click on browser. As you can see now, we're already at $0.1. So at the end of 24 hours, it should be at 2.5. And if you continually, yes, so let me remind you. So at the end of the day, what is going to happen is that the promo is going to expire. And then what will happen is that you can no longer use this promo code to mine, because it's going to expire after 24 hours. As you can see, 1 day left. It's just a promo because this is a paid software with which you can also mine Bitcoin. But there's a trick that I have up my sleeves that you can use for the meantime. So what you can do is that after 24 hours, you click withdraw here, you paste in your BTC address, then you send it there, and voila, it will be delivered there as fast as possible. Then after that, you can create another mail address and start this process all over again. So that is how you're going to be doing it every day consistently. So after day 1, you do. After day 2, you do. Then you do all the way to what? Day 30. And that is roughly $75. You'll be making extra revenue every single month if you stick to this approach. Hope you got value from this. Drop your questions in the comment section. And peace. Take care.